But check this out, his son made $80 million, increase his company net worth over $150 million off of things that would fearmonger you into not increasing your net worth every day. Because listen, why did I start investing in venture capital? Well, shout out Tony Robbins. Hey, if you don't know Tony Robbins, say they finna drop 10 billion in stocks in venture capital, trillion, 1.5 trillion in over 10 years. The news will never say, hey minority, hey black person, hey broke white person, whatever skin color you is. If you invest in the SPX, it'll go up over 900% in a decade. But they will say this, things that will fearmonger you into not increasing your net worth every day. Because listen, the poor can always get richer by investing in these assets. The same way the rich get richer, I done learned they cheat code. I'm like, I ain't rich, I can't get richer, but once I become, like since I'm poor and I will be rich, then when I become rich, I will only be getting richer. So it's like, we all on this same channel to follow the same journey, man. The market sell off over 2 trillion from stocks in a single day. Crypto went even crazier. But look, check this out. Why did it do that? Because Trump said the US will impose 100% tariff starting on China November 1st. He said this at 5:03, 10:10. He said that, and I was like, I know he manipulating the market, bruh. I already know it's gonna recover. All they trying to do is buy the dip and it's gonna rip. And then look, a couple hours later, oh, we'll retreat. We'll see why I said in November 1st. I'm like, bro, I knew it. I knew he was gonna do that. See, he said this right here because it's so hectic, it's gonna make the market crash. And then when he said this, I'm like, okay, now the market gonna settle. Then he said this 2 days later. I'm like, oh my God, he did what I was thinking he was gonna do. But check this out, his son made $80 million, increase his company net worth over $150 million off of knowing this news was gonna happen before his dad told us publicly, you feel me? So it's like, this man's son made 80 million off of it. Hey, I'll make 80 million one day, man. I'm trying to see how that feel like. But hey, check this out. These are some of the goodest sectors to invest in. This morning I was reading about JP Morgan Chase, what they were going to invest in. That might be why I'm so lit this morning, you know, because I know assets are gonna keep growing, you feel me? So I already know the poor are only gonna get richer here. But look, they say they finna drop 10 billion in stocks and venture capital. This is my venture capital portfolio on Fundrise. It's up 32% year to date. I'm like, hey, everything in venture capital, it's finna go crazy. It's finna double up. It's finna go stupid. Whatever you got, put it in there. Diversify yourself in between these assets. Why did I start investing in venture capital? Well, shout out Tony Robbins. Hey, if you don't know Tony Robbins or you ain't even read his book, just watch him on YouTube. Don't even watch his financial stuff yet. Just watch his mindfulness stuff and then get into the financial stuff. And you gonna respect the man, you feel me? But also, I was also reading this, man. I'm also thinking about creating a YouTube channel that discusses I'm like discussing the books I read and stuff, because after I read a book, I always take notes on it. Like the Superior Man book, I'm reading it right now. I took 15 notes on it, man. Well, 15 pages of notes so far. It's only like 10, 20 pages left in that book. But the same thing for Tony Robbins' book. All my books I read, I take notes on it. Sometimes it'll be like 30 pages long. But yeah, check this out. They're gonna keep dropping that cheese in venture capital. One thing I love about this portfolio is I also wrote this down. You have to write a lot being an investor. I wrote down the things that are in this venture innovation fund on Fundrise. Link in my bio, bro. They say $25. Hey, you invest 25, he'll go an extra 25 using my link, you feel me? So yeah, use the link to get you an extra 25 to sign up. But look, OpenAI is in the Innovation Fund, Databricks, Anthropic, Canva, Dido, DBT Labs, Jedi, Emuta, we got Rosada, Omni, Inspectify Theory Ventures. You got 6 AI and machine learning companies. Then you got 7 modern data infrastructure. And yeah, it's gonna help you diversify, you know. Then look, JP Morgan investing 10 billion, look, 1 trillion, 1.5 trillion in over 10 years. Then look, also I had to drop WeRide in here for self-driving cars, because WeRide is the best self-driving car their car is safe. I'm gonna drop a whole video on We Ride. Just check this out, man. We Ride is doing major things, and they at a low, and they at a dip. And I'm gonna keep adding, you know. But let's check out this news, what I was coming here to go over.